This question, as we can see, this is a paragraph type of question in which it is a case of oblique incidence, है ना? As we can see, and this is another thing, a thin sheet of glass in front of slit S2. So as we all know, this oblique incidence factor will try to move this central bright fringe that is initially at O to move. It is try to move it in the upward direction. So one part difference, that is due to oblique incidence, will be d sine theta, and it will try to move CBF in the upward direction. And in case of thin sheet of glass, this will try to move this CBF, central bright fringe, in the downward direction. Question is saying the central bright fringe is obtained on screen at O. Central bright fringe CBF is at O. That means these factors are cancelling each other, they are balancing each other, है ना? So d sine theta equal to mu minus 1 into t should be the condition. So in the given options we have this option A.